There are many ways to greet someone. Today we'll learn about the most common way to greet someone in this lesson. I'll give variety of examples to understand. First, greeting someone you've never met. When you meet someone you've not met before, it means that you should ask regarding their name and you should compliment them that it is nice to meet. So, you'll say, "Hi, my name is Pratiksha. It is nice to meet you." Now, you can respond to this. Now, the other person can respond by saying that it is a pleasure to meet you. I am Raj. After this, the other person may ask about how you are doing. It means regarding how is your health and how are you doing these days. So you could respond by saying, I am good. How about you? You also want to sound interested when you ask, how about you? That means you want to know how the other person is doing. Another example of a basic greeting is, what do you do for a living? It means that the other person wants to know what do you do for daily needs and is curious to understand your livelihood. You can respond by saying anything that you do. For example, I work at a restaurant, I work at a bank, or I am a dentist. Usually, when someone greets, they tell you their name as well. But just in case someone forgets to mention their name, you can ask by saying, "What is your name?" Sometimes you can come up with situations where you do not understand or hear correctly regarding the name, and hence you can ask again by saying, "What was that again? Excuse me?" In this lesson, we are going to learn how to communicate to someone using present tense. Now, present tense means that something you're doing right now. इसका मतलब जो हम अभी कर रहे हैं, अगर हमको उसको इंग्लिश में बोलना है तो उसको हम प्रेजेंट टेंस में यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आई एम गोइंग टू द लाइब्रेरी, विच मीन्स मैं लाइब्रेरी जा रहा हूँ. नाउ, आई विल गो टू द लाइब्रेरी विल बी फ्यूचर टेंस and I went to the library will be past tense. But right now we are going to learn about present tense and how in each sentences and how in every different sentences we can use present tense. Let's look at these examples. I am on my way home, or I am going to the bus stop. The meeting is starting now. The manager is waiting for you in her office. Tell the receptionist that you are here to see Mr. Sharma. Now, these were the examples of different sentences that had present tense in it. Now, many a times we run into situations that require the questions like, how are you doing? How is your day going? What are you doing right now? To answer any of these questions, we use present tense. Why? Because इन तीनों क्वेश्चंस में से हर एक आपसे ये पूछ रहा है कि आप अभी इसी वक्त क्या कर रहे हो. सो अगर आपको ये आंसर करना है कि आप अभी क्या कर रहे हो, तो आप डेफिनेटली ये नहीं पूछोगे कि आप क्या कर रहे थे या आप क्या करोगे, आप ये बताओगे कि आप क्या कर रहे हो। सो इस केस में हम प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करते हैं। अब कुछ एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं कि हम इन 3 क्वेश्चंस को कैसे आंसर कर सकते हैं। सो फॉर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल we can use I am enjoying the beautiful weather without any worries in the world, or I am playing a video game on my computer, yeah, I am at a grocery store buying ingredients for tonight, or I am at the gym working out. So now, as you can see that each sentence is starting with I am, which is the present tense, and not I will, which is future, or I was, which is the past. So we will discuss past tense and future tense in next sessions, but right now we need to make sure that you are talking about what is currently going on, so you must use present tense. Further answers that you can give are as follows. My project deadline is coming up, so I am currently in the process of finishing a task. Or I am applying for a job at a consulting firm. Or I am listening to music while thinking about my situation. Or I am pretty busy right now doing my homework because I have an exam tomorrow.